This is MJ from Sherwood Dodge presenting you this 2019 Ram Sport in white. This one has heated seats, power seats. You got the backup camera. And for a short guy like me, guess what? Power pedal right there. So if you can't reach to the pedal, that's how you do it. Power folding mirrors. You got plenty of room in the back. With a tiny guy like me, I have that much leg room here. So of course you can fit a tall, very tall guy. 6'5", I think that's the tallest person, was happy behind. So of course, you got hitch receiver, you got the tailgate. Sorry, the truck is running, so that's why I can't open the tailgate, but you got tonneau cover already installed on this one. This vehicle has only 53,000 kilometers on it, single owner, clean car proof. Please give me a call back, 780-802-4421 if you want to take this truck on a test drive.